Hey guys! Welcome to our channel, Product Reviews. A place where you get information about trending products and concepts in the world with purchase links. If you have not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe. Be the first to type, "I am subscribed," in the comment box below. Without much wasting your time, let's get started. Hey guys, let's review LG Wing Dual Display Phone with Swivel Mode, Gimbal Camera. The smartphone comes with two distinct displays, one of which is a swivel screen that rotates clockwise in 90 degrees to enable new use cases. The LG Wing features a hinge mechanism that uses a thermoplastic polyoxymethylene at the back of the main screen to facilitate smoother swiveling and to prevent scratches on the second screen. For selfies, the LG Wing comes with a pop-up selfie camera. It will be offered in Aurora Gray and Illusion Sky color options. The LG Wing features the hinge that uses a hydraulic damper along with dual spring and dual lock to enable the rotation of the main screen. LG claims that the hinge mechanism has been tested for as much as 200,000 swivels. Also, the company has applied thermoplastic polyoxymethylene at the back of the main screen. The material is often used in precision parts for high stiffness and low friction. It is touted to help prevent scratches on the second screen. The new form factor brings basic mode and swivel mode as the two options to bring a differentiated user experience. In the swivel mode, the company says that the entire front of the phone rotates clockwise in 90 degrees and orients the main screen in landscape mode. This brings a widescreen experience and allows users to interact with the second screen even while watching videos on the main screen. LG has tied up with platforms such as Rave and Ficto to utilize the second screen for displaying content while playing videos full screen on the main screen. The LG Wing comes with a multi-app feature that lets users create shortcuts for pairs of apps that they want to use simultaneously on both main and second screens. The smartphone also comes with a grip lock that, once enabled, makes the second screen as a grip and brings information such as time and date, without responding to any accidental touches. The LG Wing is powered by octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G SoC, paired with 8 GB of RAM. The smartphone comes with a triple rear camera setup that houses a 64-megapixel primary sensor, 13-megapixel secondary sensor with ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 12-megapixel tertiary sensor with ultra-wide-angle lens. There is also a hexamotion stabilizer. The presence of dual ultra-wide-angle lenses on the LG Wing powers a gimbal motion camera feature that lets users control the camera angle using a virtual joystick on the second screen. The feature also comes with a lock to reduce shakes and blurring effects as well as a follow mode for optimizing videos when moving, pan follow for horizontal movement. All this enables a real gimbal-like experience. For capturing selfies and enabling video chats, the LG Wing comes with a 32-megapixel camera sensor on the pop-up module. The LG Wing comes in 128 GB and 256 GB of onboard storage options that both are expandable. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box. If you have any different opinions about the contents in this video, 4G LTE, be the first to start the debate in the box below. 2.11 purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. GPS. We will be grateful if you could please make your next purchase from that link. There is an in-display fingerprint sensor. Our channel. Further, good morning, the phone comes with an IP54 whichever part of the world you are resistant chassis. Don't forget there is also a 3D sound engine. I will assure you LG has provided and interesting videos and future battery on the Wing. This is Jason Quick Charge 4.0 plus 25 watts fast charging and 10 watts wireless charging. Besides, the phone weighs 260 grams.